I'd love to find out more about WhatsApp channels. How do you set them up and the impact that they're having? So, WhatsApp channels are like a really intriguing area of social media that I'm loving learning more about. You might not have even noticed them. If you look in your WhatsApp app, then right at the bottom of the screen, there's the section called channels, and you can opt in to various different channels that exist around the world. So I'll show you some examples in just a moment. You can create a channel to reach unlimited followers. So this is where people opt in to receive updates from you on WhatsApp. And they're not groups, they are broadcasts, which means that there's not like hundreds and hundreds of messages happening every day. It's perhaps just one alert a day that you are opting in to receive from a brand. So, great way to approach maybe newsletter content, or if you're looking to send out a daily alert to people. I know more and more kind of schools, publishers, educators, fitness gurus, with like daily recipes, daily exercises, are looking into this at the moment. And you can share your channel with people. You can kind of promote that as well. It gives you a specific kind of link that you can send to people via email or social media if you want to publicize it in that way. So they essentially broadcast, so they're one-way feeds. You can have up to 16 admins. Don't know why it's 16, what a random number, but you can have 16 admins managing this for you. Ideal for exclusives, updates, or building that community. You can run polls in there, and also people can react as well. So there are ways that you can kind of hear from the community and make it a little bit more as of a kind of market research tool. But I think for me, the most compelling thing about using WhatsApp is that it has a 98% open rate compared to email, which has a 20% open rate. So most people open up their WhatsApps and don't leave WhatsApps kind of unread for very long. So it could be a really great way for you to make sure that your content is being read. So we're in, considering brainstorming launching a WhatsApp channel for Avocado Social later on this year. So we'll keep you all posted on that one.